Hi, so we're going to show you today how to make Gerald the Giraffe from Giraffes Can't Dance.
You will need 2 cardboard tubes, 2 different colours of paper or card. If you haven't got any colour paper or card, you could always colour your own, 2 lolly sticks, some string, glue and paint. A hot glue gun is handy but not essential. If you haven't got a hot glue gun, PVA glue will do fine.
So you ready to make Gerald? Yeah, we're going to make Gerald.
First you need to cut your 2 cardboard tubes to the desired size for the head and the body. The head tube should be slightly smaller than the body tube. Next, you need to cut your A4 paper lengthways so that you have 10 strips of each colour. Try to keep them as even as possible. You should have enough paper or card left over afterwards to do 2 single strip ones for the ears. Once you've cut all your pieces of card, you're going to stick and fold it in a particular way, which we'll show you now close up.
So what we're going to do, we're going to get our 2 pieces of card like this, and we're going to stick it like that, and then
like a plait.
and then we're going to fold like this.
It's like a plait, isn't it?
It is a bit like a plait, yeah. It is a bit like a plait. So, do you want to get the glue stick and pop a really generous blob of glue on that yellow bit there.
When you've finished folding your paper, you'll end up with 4 for the legs and 1 for the neck. Next job is to paint your cardboard tubes with your chosen colour. We've chosen yellow and brown, so we'll be painting yellow and adding brown spots shortly. The next job is to get your 2 lolly sticks and wrap the string or twine around them to tie them together in a cross shape. When your base colour has dried, you can use your other colour to add the spots on.
Let's put some blobs on. Remember, this is his body, so he's kind of got splotches all over everything.
While you're waiting for your paint to dry, if you draw an ear shape on a piece of yellow card, double it over and cut it out so that you've got your ears to stick on later. For the tail, we just used a bit of string painted yellow. Once your paint's dried, it's time to get gluey.
So this is where we're up to. We've hot glued our legs, our neck, and we've hot glued our head to our neck and our ears. Now look, there for the ears.
Once you've attached your legs and neck, it's time to add some eyes. You can either paint these on or pop a couple of googly eyes on like we have.
Two slightly longer bits for the body, here and here. Do you want to put a pencil mark about there where my nail is? That's it. And then do you want to put another pencil mark about there? And that's going to mark where our two bits of string are going to go.
Now it's time to add the strings. You need a shorter piece to attach to the top of the head and two longer pieces for either end of the body.
Can I borrow the pencil a minute? Yeah, and we're going to mark and push. If you push your pencil in really hard, it should just poke a little hole in there for your string to go. And then we're going to do the same with the other end there. It's quite stiff, isn't it? So we've got a hole there and a hole there. You can see that that's where you're going to put your string through.
Younger children in particular will probably need adult help with this part. Almost finished now. All you need to do now is to tie the string through the holes on the cardboard tubes and attach them to the cross made out of the lolly sticks. Last but not least, we need to attach the tail. We used our piece of yellow string and a little bit of alpaca wool stuck to the end for effect.
So we have attached the tail, which we used a piece of string painted yellow and a little bit of alpaca wool, and we stuck it on with a hot glue gun there. But you could tie the string through if you wanted to make a pearl. So that is how you make Gerald the Giraffe from Giraffes Can't Dance.